This Mercedes SL550 2007 model year console is fixing to get a new makeover. We are going to go in, obviously disassemble it all, clean everything up real nicely, and then we're going to go in and repair the cracks in it and resurface it and change the wood grain. The wood grain does not match his interior, and so we are going to make it match. Let me show you a picture of the steering wheel here with it so you can see what I'm talking about. As you see, it's two different wood grains. I don't know if he bought this or somebody bought this console separately. So we're going to take care of it, make everything match, and when we come back you will see a brand new gorgeous looking console that matches that steering wheel perfectly. Okay, we've got this Mercedes SL550 2007 console bezel completely restored back to factory new, and changed the color of the wood grain on it, as you can see from the before pictures, to match his interior, actually, because somebody had replaced this console and made it match the steering wheel, which is right there. So what a great looking match, and this is really going to clean up this Mercedes interior that he is restoring.